नमस्कार दीदियों एंड सज्जनों, आज आ रहा है एक नया व्लॉग क्योंकि मैं फिर से ट्रैवल कर रही हूँ एंड दिस टाइम आई एम गोइंग टू द कैरेबियंस। मैं जा रही हूँ सेंट लुका, सेंट लुइस, समवेयर लाइक दैट। और ये देखो स्नो को मैं बिल्कुल मिस नहीं करूँगी। अभी ये स्नो चल जाएगी, मम्मी मेरे को ड्रॉप कर रही है या मैं अपने आप को ड्रॉप कर रही हूँ, जो भी है। नो, फर्स्ट ट्रिप ऑफ 2026 एंड इट्स फेब्रुअरी राइट नाउ, सो टचवुड भगवान ऐसा ही साथ दे और 15-20 और ब्लॉग्स मैं निकालूँ, क्योंकि मैं ब्लॉग तभी करती हूँ जब मैं ट्रैवल करती हूँ, क्योंकि फिर मेरे पास बोलने के लिए कुछ होता है, वरना मैं बोर हो जाती हूँ। बट हाँ, लेट्स गो टू द एयरपोर्ट एंड लेट्स सी हाउ Caribbean is। ऑफिशियली हो गए लैंड, तो फ्लाइट थी 5 घंटे की और मैं इतना ज़्यादा सोई हूँ फ्लाइट पे, आप सोच भी नहीं सकते। और मैं इतनी खुश हुई हूँ यहाँ पे आके, यहाँ पे बर्फ भी नहीं है और यहाँ पे बिल्कुल गर्मी। और यहाँ पे जैसे इंडिया में वो स्टीयरिंग दूसरी साइड पे होता है ना, तो यहाँ पे भी दूसरी साइड पे अभी उन्होंने ड्राइवर भेजा है। अभी मैं फिर होटल जाऊँगी और फिर वहाँ पर जाके शूट करूँगी। अच्छा आप लोग देखना। बट मैं सबसे ज़्यादा ये खुश हूँ कि यहाँ पे स्नो नहीं है, क्योंकि स्नो के साथ और मेरी बहुत दुश्मनी हुई है। जैसे मैंने पहले बताया, मेरी गाड़ी पे स्नो में गिर गई थी, मगर कोई बात नहीं, अब तो ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी। एंड यहाँ की सिटी देखते हुए इतना मज़ा आ रहा है। मेरे को तो जाने का वैसे ही भी बहुत ही शौक है, क्योंकि मेरे को अच्छा लगता है कि उठ उठ चीज़ें करते रहे, हम रेस्ट करके शूट करेंगे और फिर आराम से चल पाएंगे। सो मैं आपको वहाँ देखती हूँ एंड नमस्ते, दिस इज़ इनक्रेडिबल। तो मैं कल लैंड हुई हूँ लगभग तो मैं कल लैंड हुई हूँ लगभग 6 बजे और 1-1.5 घंटे की तो वो थी कार राइड फ्रॉम द hotel to the resort. So I have finally made it here. कल तो मैं आके डिनर करके सो गई थी, इसलिए मैंने रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया। मेरे पास हर दिन बहाना होता है ये है, मगर this is one of the most beautiful and peaceful resorts I've been to and it's incredible. So long story short, मैं यहाँ पे क्यों आई हूँ? So I'm here to promote one of the hotels and the villas for the, it's so dark in here, but I'm here to promote one of the hotels for the Caribbean, and it's the Landing Hotel Resorts and Spa. So I'm gonna get to work today. I'm gonna go have the meeting with the marketing person now, and then we shall see how it goes. And this trip is so short. मैं इधर सिर्फ 3 दिन के लिए आई हूँ। कल लैंड हुई और मेरे पास 3 दिन बचे। And I'm like, what do you mean 3 दिन? I just landed and I do not want to go to the snow again. मगर कोई बात नहीं, you get to enjoy it as long as it lasts and you get the best of both worlds. So I'm gonna go to the meeting now and I'll see you whenever I do. Bye. So we have finally made it to the breakfast and we're enjoying the amazing buffet that we had for the breakfast today, and you can look for the view yourself and tell me if you would not like to visit the Landing Resort and Spa here. It is so peaceful and you can't get enough of it. That's the truth. And we have great company here, such as myself, my amazing cameraman. Would you like to say hi? It's face tracking on myself. Doesn't matter how much you move it. It's gonna be on me. The camera, it's too good. So I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast here, and I hope you guys enjoy the view because I'm enjoying it a lot. Okay, so we're finally at the beach right next to the resort. और हम अभी गए थे जेट स्की में और हमने बहुत मज़े किए। आए हैं मैनेजर्स कॉकटेल, तो मैं वहाँ के लिए तैयार होंगी। और आप देख सकते हो कि बीच कितना अच्छा है और जेट स्की में भी बहुत मज़ा है। So मैं आपको मिलती हूँ शो के बाद। Alright, so we have finally reached the cocktail party, and as you can see, it's a blast, so you know where to come for all this amazing experience.
I noticed we had no plan for Christmas.
We are officially on the road. Come on, cameraman. So we are going to the Pitons, and this is the beautiful view. So we are driving an F-150. Fun fact, I have that back at home too, in the foreign land of Canada, and you can look at this amazing view, and I'm so happy here. And we just got some street food, you can say, or like local food, and we will show you that as well. So come on. So we have the local cassava pie, and we have the chocolate chip flavor. Look at this. It is almost the size of my face. It's quite ironic. Delicious. You can taste how fresh it is. Okay, so we are almost there at the amazing and famous Pecan. You can see it from up here, those two mountains, and it is absolutely gorgeous. We just did a quick stop here, and you can see the little houses there. You can see the sea itself, and look at this mountain. And we're gonna be right there, having a lovely spa in a mud bath. Let's see how that goes, but we're at Pecan, and it's beautiful, and I'm so happy to be here. So we officially reached here at the Pecan, and as you can see, it's beautiful. So we have this small Pecan right there, and you can see this beautiful beach. We just finished having lunch here, and it was absolutely amazing and delicious. And you can see the view for yourself. It's quite peaceful. It's quite beautiful, and it's perfect. And we're gonna go up. We're not gonna go up the mountain, but we're gonna do some spas, and we're gonna do some mud ritual, and we're gonna have a lot of fun, and we're gonna be going to the falls as well, which is gonna be quite interesting. So we're taking a hike in the nature, and guess where we are? We're on the Pecan, and we're gonna go to the Pecan waterfall, and we're gonna bathe in the waterfall. So, hop around. So we're finally here at the Pecan waterfall, and you can see absolutely gorgeous. I've been to the waterfall. It's natural hot water. It's not cold at all. You can see how beautiful the sun is. And there's a salsa spring, and you can see yourself the waterfall and how beautiful it is. And after this, we're gonna head over to the mud bath, and that's gonna be quite an experience itself. And we'll see how that goes. But for now, bye. See you from the waterfall. अब हमने वाटरफॉल से ख़त्म हो गए और अब हम मुंह काला करवाने जा रहे हैं, क्योंकि हम जा रहे हैं मड स्पा में। उधर वो पूरा मड से मुंह भर देंगे। हमारे यहाँ तो मुंह काला करना कहते हैं, मगर यहाँ पे रवाज है तो हम करेंगे। अच्छा, so we're here at the Salsa Springs. This is the only drive-in volcano. As we're talking, I'm standing on a live, active volcano, which is going to be quite interesting. And I hope nothing happens. It hasn't happened in years. I don't think today is going to be my day. But here's the mud. It stinks, quite frankly, but you never know how the experience goes. So I'm gonna go there with no judgment, and let's see how it goes. And as you can see, it's a beautiful view. It's a beautiful, beautiful view. There's mountains everywhere, all around. And now we shall go into the mud and get our face kala, because that's what we're here to do today. So I will see you after I have disgusting mud, smelly mud all over me. The final look. Looks quite ridiculous. So the brown is the mud and the black is the stripes. The black is also mud. So मेरा मुंह हो गया है officially काला. And this is the blue. I'm excited to see if this is going to help my skin. क्या मेरे ऐसे करने की मेरी है. मगर देखते हैं कि कैसे क्या करेंगे. Okay. Hi. मैं ही हूँ अभी भी मन्नत संधू छोटी गुड़िया, मगर it's not burning, I will tell you that, but it is a very unique experience. मेरा नाक बंद हो गया है क्योंकि मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा छिड़ आ रही थी यहाँ आके। ये स्मेल बहुत बुरी है, but it's okay. And ये है अभी का लुक, और देखते हैं कि ये फेशियल कैसा है, and we will be back after the break. So I have finally wiped off all the mud. Tell me if you see a difference. I hope you see a difference and not any stripes on my goddamn face. But I think it's too early for me to tell you how it is. I still have to see my reaction to taking cold water to mud. And I have to taken off my mud, and I will give you a review of if there's any difference to my beautiful face and body. But for now, I'm going to get out of this stinky mud, and I will see you whenever I do. Bye! Hello party people, so it's a day after my mud spa, and I can genuinely tell a difference in my skin. Even if when I was looking back on the videos, you can tell a big difference in the skin. But tomorrow is my flight back, and I'm gonna be so sad. Because I was on call with my friend, and she's showing me like the pile of snow, and I'm like, I just don't want to go back. I don't want to go back. Look at this view. And I'm telling you guys, this is one of the best resorts you guys will ever find. There's a jacuzzi in my hotel, in my villa, and look at the view. This is the view. Like, I could never get over this. It's absolutely insane. And I am here. Today's my last day, so I'm gonna hop on a jet ski. I'm gonna travel there. I'm gonna go to the beach, and then I'm gonna just finalize all the content, approve the videos that I like, approve the photos I like, and then it would officially be my last day here today. Tomorrow is my flight around 5 o'clock, but I have to leave here at 2 because it's a 1.5 hour drive there, and then I would get there by 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that should be enough time. But I'm gonna miss this place so much. This is like heaven. Heaven, do you understand me? Heaven. It was so beautiful, and especially yesterday when I was at the fall and the water was falling on me, it was so peaceful, and I was like, Har Har Mahadev, Har Har Mahadev. It was such a peaceful experience. If you get here, you have to visit Tikons. You have to come to the Landing Resort because it is absolutely stunning. I will show you. You know what? I'm gonna show you a whole thing because is the view from my hotel. I haven't even left. This is a beautiful jacuzzi, and this is the view. Like, look at that. Look at that. And I have to say, for everyone watching, pick up your phones, pick up whatever technology you have, and start recording. Please start recording. It's insane. This is what I'm experiencing for shooting. Everything is gone. Everything is dealt with. I am doing nothing here instead of enjoying a nice time and picking up my camera. And I'm telling you, क्योंकि 2 साल पहले मैं डे केयर फुल टाइम डे केयर करती थी. मैंने अपनी ग्रेजुएशन डे केयर में की है. Since I was 16 I've been working with kids. That was my full time job. और मेरी शिफ्ट होती थी 7 to 2 or 7 to 3, something like that. And now I'm sitting here and this is my shift. ये मेरी शिफ्ट है. So I tell all of my friends, I'm like, it doesn't matter अगर आप कैमरा शाय हो, do a startup business, do a without face content. Like, this is insane. Like, look at this. And for what? Posting a video? Like, that's insane. I don't want to sound like I'm doing nothing, but it's absolutely insane that I get to see this view. And I can tell you, I used to work much harder. I used to wake up at 5 o'clock. I would leave my house at 6 o'clock to drive 1 hour to my work, do an 8-hour shift there, come back, and then do more work on the social media. And this is the life I'm living now in less than 1 year. 1 year, 2026 just started. So this is the second year that I've been doing this. I think it's been almost 11 months since I started doing this content creation thing and started taking it seriously. And this is how far it's got me. And you only go up from here. So whoever is telling you do not pick up that phone, whoever is telling you it's amazing, it's cringy, it's this, it's that, किसी की बात नहीं सुननी. अपना बनाओ, आराम से जियो, खाओ पियो, ऐश करो मित्रों. Because this is what you get in the end, and it is worth every single insult people give you, everything, every bull crap people say about you. It's worth everything. Like, look at this. You're seeing this from a camera. I can see this with my eyes. It's absolutely amazing. So pick up your cameras and enjoy life, because you get one life and you have to make the most out of it. And I'm gonna go hop on that beach. I'm gonna go hop on the beach. It's my last day. I'm gonna enjoy myself, and I shall see you whenever I do. But take notes, take it seriously when I say this, because अगर आप मेरे से पूछोगे 2 साल पहले कि what's your plan in 5 years, I would tell you that I would still be working with kids and I want a couple of babies. And look at me now. Like, it's absolutely insane. I would have never imagined this life for myself, and it's amazing how much God blesses you every single day. Like, it's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. So stay true to God and keep working hard and post those videos. It's insane how much money people spend and how much money it is in this industry, and there's enough for all of us. So get started now, and I shall see you at the beach. All right, I have changed my outfit for beachy wear. We have rented out a jet ski.
नमस्कार. फिर मैं गई जेट स्की पे. मैंने रिकॉर्ड नहीं की अपनी वॉइस, तो अभी मैं वॉइस ओवर कर रही हूँ, बट डोंट वरी. फिर मैंने सीलिंग भी ट्राई किया, और फिर रात को इनका इवेंट था विच वाज सो नाइस, विच वाज डिप इन द टोज. वहाँ पे बॉन फायर थी और बहुत ही अच्छा हमने पेट पूजा की. मैंने बहुत खाना खाया, उधर पूरा बफे था. एंड फ्यू आर ट्रू फैन, और आप मेरे सारे वीडियो देखते हो, मेरे पास ये सेम इंसिडेंट पुर्ताकाना में हुआ था, जहाँ पे मैं रात को ऐसे ही वॉशरूम के लिए गई थी, एंड डॉग्स स्टार्टेड प्रोटेक्टिंग मी. इस डॉगी ने, मैंने वॉशरूम जाना था आफ्टर कमिंग टू पीटॉन से वापस आते मैं वॉशरूम गई थी. इस डॉगी ने मेरे को वॉशरूम तक लेके गया, फिर मेरी वेट की, फिर मेरे को पूरी गाड़ी तक ड्रॉप किया इस डॉगी ने मेरे को. एंड आई वाज सो हैप्पी, आई फेल्ट सो ब्लेस्ड, क्योंकि डर तो ऑब्वियसली लगता है क्योंकि मैं लड़की हूँ, मैं ट्रैवल कर रही हूँ, लड़की खुली तो जोड़ी जैसी होती है। हा, जानते हो मैं कितना ड्रामा करती हूँ। मगर हाँ, फिर ये डॉगी ने हमें ड्रॉप किया और फिर आखिर में आखिरी दिन में मैंने सनसेट देखना था, वो भी बीच से। ये बीच मेरे रिजॉर्ट में था, इट वाज सो ब्यूटीफुल। एंड फन फैक्ट, मेरे को स्विम करना नहीं आता, तो मैं ये फ्लोटी में आराम से बैठी थी और मैंने पूरा सनसेट देखा। एंड इतना अच्छा व्यू मिलता है रिजॉर्ट से, आप सोच भी नहीं सकते।
So I have officially reached the same place that I sat and ate breakfast for the first time when I came here. I'm gonna have my last lunch and then I'm gonna have my flight and I'm gonna be gone back to my Canada. But it has been the most wonderful experience, no complaints, the best 3-4 days I had, and it was so short but it felt like every moment was worth it. And I'm happy with St. Lucia. I really hope I get to come here again. And it's a beautiful, beautiful country and it's a beautiful resort and it's a beautiful time.